So here we have the Volkswagen Polo on a 15 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. And then this section will lift up to reveal even more space again. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total mass of the car. They are 26,068. Above that, we have the trip computer section. So this is the driving data menu that we're on at the moment. Various bits of trip computer, fuel economy information, and that digital readout for the speedometer that you can see being displayed there. You can then go from that to various other menus, your audio, telephone, vehicle status, and back to where we started. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just here. We have stereo controls there, which continue on the left-hand side. And then the main stereo is over in the center here. It's all touchscreen. You have buttons down the right and left-hand sides. We're on the radio menu, for example, at the moment. You'll see we have DAB, FM, and AM radio. Hit the media button, you'll be able to listen to your own music. There's a number of ways you can do that, and they include Bluetooth audio. So once you pair your phone, which is done just here, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly as well. Above that section, we can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now off with a rear heated screen and our hazard warning lights as well. Below that, we then have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed, and direction of the air. The air conditioning's off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set here. We've got our auxiliary, USB inputs for our music, a 12-volt charging socket, 2 cup holders, and a 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.